The magical journey of Lila and the Sparkle Squad. Once upon a time, in a world full of glittering rainbows and enchanted forests, there was a little girl named Lila. Lila had a big heart and an even bigger imagination. She loved exploring magical lands with her best friends, who were not just ordinary friends, they were the Sparkle Squad. The Sparkle Squad consisted of 4 amazing friends, each with their own special powers. There was Bella, a unicorn with a beautiful rainbow mane. Bella's hooves sparkled with every step, and she could fly across the skies, leaving trails of glittery clouds. Her magic could bring light and joy to the darkest of places. Then, there was Fiona, a strong and brave dragon, but not like the scary ones in old stories. Fiona had shimmering purple scales and a gentle soul. She could breathe rainbow fire that could mend anything broken, whether it was a torn book or a sad heart. Next was Mina, a little fairy with wings as delicate as butterfly petals. She had a mischievous twinkle in her eye and could sprinkle magic dust that made flowers bloom and dreams come true. Mina could also shrink or grow to any size, which was perfect for sneaking into secret places or giving hugs as big as a mountain. Finally, there was Rosie, Lila's most beloved friend, a talking kitten with soft pink fur and big golden eyes. Rosie wasn't just cute, she had the power to heal with her purr. Whenever someone was sad or hurt, a single purr from Rosie could make everything better. One sunny day, while Lila and the Sparkle Squad were playing near the enchanted waterfall, something unusual happened. The sky suddenly turned gray, and the colorful flowers around them began to wilt. The rainbow that usually hung over the waterfall faded into dull shades of gray. The land, once full of magic and laughter, felt strangely quiet and sad. "What's happening?" Lila asked, her voice filled with worry. "It feels like all the happiness is disappearing," Bella said, her rainbow mane losing its shine. Fiona flapped her wings in frustration. "We need to find out what's causing this." Mina, always ready for adventure, sprinkled some magic dust over Lila and the squad. "Let's fly to the Rainbow Realm. Maybe we can find some answers there." The Sparkle Squad and Lila flew high above the enchanted land, reaching the Rainbow Realm. But when they arrived, they were shocked. The magical rainbow crystal that gave the land its color and joy was missing. Who could have stolen the rainbow crystal? Rosie meowed, her tail twitching with worry. Just then, a shimmering butterfly landed on Lila's shoulder. "There's only one who would steal something so precious," the butterfly whispered. "It's the grumpy troll. He lives in the shadow forest, and he's jealous of all the happiness in the world. We have to get the rainbow crystal back," Lila declared, her eyes full of determination. The Sparkle Squad and Lila flew toward the shadow forest, a place where the trees were tall and twisted and the air felt cold. But Lila wasn't scared. She knew that with her friends by her side, they could face anything. When they reached the troll's cave, they found the grumpy troll sitting on a pile of gray rocks, holding the rainbow crystal. He wasn't scary though, just sad. His face was wrinkled, and his eyes were filled with loneliness. "Why did you take the rainbow crystal?" Lila asked softly. The grumpy troll frowned. "I don't like seeing everyone so happy when I'm always alone." Lila's heart softened. "Happiness isn't something you can steal. It's something you can share." She stepped forward, holding out her hand. "Would you like to be our friend? You don't have to be alone anymore." The troll blinked, surprised. "You want to be friends with me?" "Of course," Bella said, her mane sparkling again. "There's plenty of happiness to go around." Mina sprinkled some magic dust, and Fiona blew a gentle puff of rainbow fire. Rosie purred softly, and for the first time, the grumpy troll smiled. With a cheerful laugh, the troll returned the rainbow crystal. The sky above them brightened, the trees turned green again, and the flowers began to bloom. The magic of the land returned, filling it with color and joy once more. Lila and the Sparkle Squad invited the troll to join them on all their adventures, and from that day forward, the grumpy troll was no longer grumpy. He became known as Teddy, a friend who loved spreading happiness just as much as everyone else. And so Lila and the Sparkle Squad, Bella, Fiona, Mina, Rosie, and their new friend Teddy continued to explore the magical lands, bringing joy wherever they went. They taught everyone that true happiness isn't found in keeping things for yourself, but in sharing love, laughter, and friendship with the world.